I want you to see all of these people getting payments. Look, you can see this guy, he have made already $26, and this guy made $10. This guy already made $66, and this guy, he has made $100. And all of these payments are through PayPal. But if you even don't have a PayPal account, you can receive payments through bank transfer. You can receive through payment if you even have a Paytm. All of these payments are available, and also it's available worldwide. So this website that I'm going to show you is just crazy, and I kid you not, you are able to make a lot of money from this website. Now if you guys are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and turn the notification on so you get notified whenever I release a new video, and make sure to like that video as well so that YouTube recommends this video for other people who are also interested to make money online. And also there's a free training, my free training, which is 100% free. You won't be getting charged for anything. All you have to do is click the link in my bio, and you'll be able to learn how to start affiliate marketing business and everything involved with affiliate marketing. And also, if you guys are looking to make the number one, my number one recommendation on how to make full-time income online, it is also on the first link in my description. And without further ado, let's roll that video. Yes, so the first website, or basically the only website that we need, is enrollapp.com. all right, this is the website and also an app that you are able to do so many things, that you are going to be answering a couple of questions, and you are getting paid a lot. So it depends on how involved you are with this app. It also involved on so many factors, like all you have to do is fill up some details and boom, payments left and right. So this is what we are going to explain to you guys in this video. But make sure before you even skip any of this video, because if you skip, you won't get the idea, and also you will get confused. So make sure to watch this entire video. All right, now we are able, you have to go to enrollapp.com, and this is the logo of the website, and this is how the website will look like. Now go ahead and click on the bottom register. Right now you have to add your email and your password in here. Once you add it, they are going to send you an activation code. You click that button from your email, and it will take you to this homepage again. Fill up the details. They're gonna ask you a couple of questions like where you're from and personal questions. You're gonna answer all of these, fill them out, and once you are done, you are coming into this page. Right, once you're done with everything, you are going to be coming into this page where it will say your name. For I have signed up for this website recently, and you can see it says hi Sadiq. All right, and it will also say let's make the web better place. Keep it up on your daily questions. You are making some serious progress. All right, now make sure to know that this is all about questions and answers. All right, and you can also see from here achievements, financials, missions. Like it's a game that you are able to answer questions, and you are gonna be earning money. So it's a fun game that also pays you. All right, now let's just do it together. And you can also see the mission progress. Here it says 0%, and whenever you are done with this mission, it's like a game. You are gonna be you will complete with the mission Earth, and then you are gonna go to the next mission. So this is very interesting. Now here is how this entire thing would work out. All right, it says pose a 0 answer. So we are going to be doing that right now in front of you guys. And for example, it's asking me, have you ever heckled a comedian? And I'm going to say no. And so basically now we have how did you stack up? So you can see that 76% of people said no, and 23% of people said yes. So that means people are agreeing with you. So it doesn't matter even if you said something wrong. It does not matter. This is all about your preference and your opinion. So and now it's asking, have you ever traveled to other states in your country? And I'm gonna say yes, and you can see most of people say yes. So we are gonna be continuing. Do you own Fitbit products? I'm gonna say no, and you can see that 80% of people said no, and 19% of people said yes. Do you consider yourself healthy eater? If it depends. So I'm gonna say also no, but people say 60. So this is it's like in between. 64% of people said yes, and others said no. Do you prefer to learn in a challenging environment? I'm gonna say yes. So basically, this is how it goes. So you are gonna answer, and then it will keep going, and you are gonna be going. You'll get badges, you will get points. So let me just finish this, and then I'm gonna be back with you guys. All right, so we have answered 50 questions, as you can see. It actually didn't take me that long, and as you can see, my progress is 3%. All right, now here's the thing, this website has so many things for you. All right, you have, like, there's so many questions, it is interesting, it is fun, you can do so many things with this website, and you can also see the progress. And here's the best part. All right, whenever you sign up, you don't have any of the available tests. All right, as you can see, it says 0 tests. Now usually this happens because you're new, so they want to know more information about you. Once they have all the information about you and you answered, it doesn't have to be 50, but for me it was like fun, and I did it, like, and I've answered many, and you can see 3%. So it depends, like, it will take from you a couple of hours, and then you will be able to get your first payment from this website. And the best part about this is they pay out very fast. All right, you will be able to get your payment in maybe like in like couple of hours. All right, now I have already one badge and the mission, and you can see all of these will be coming soon. They have so many badges, and you can see financials as well, like total balance and payout balance, and you can see right now in progress $1. All right, now, like, and then you will also have in progress, the $1 is in progress because I've just answered 40 questions. So, and that actually did not take me a while. Right, it only took from me couple of maybe like 20 minutes, and then I was able to get $1. But it depends. So these are just because you answered these questions. All right, but the big money will come with the test. All right, now they might give you one test a day, and that one test could be potentially up to $20. And this is how you can make money with this website. And I hope you guys like this video. Make sure, if you guys enjoyed this video, just hit that subscribe button, also smash the like button, and make sure to check all the link in my description for my free training. And also, if you guys if you think this is hard and you want to make money online and you want to be your own boss, all right, now there's a link, the first link in my description. Click that link, and I'm gonna be able to show you everything you need to know about how to make money online. And without further ado, let's go, and let me see you guys in the next video.